happy times. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, good, and safe at your home. Let's start today's science class with the topic silkworm and its life cycle. So, first of all, we must know this. This is the mulberry tree, and this silkworm get the shelter on this mulberry tree. It lay egg on the mulberry leaves. These are of black colors that is shown in the figure. After hatching it, they will give larva, and this larva shed its skin 3 to 4 times and get converted into pupa. And pupas look like this, that is shown in the video. Now this pupa release the sericin named protein, which get in contact with moisture and air and get solid, and it's produce a thread-like structure, and it covers its whole body. So that is called cocoon now. And inside it larva is there. Inside it become enlarged and converted into a moth. And moth will come out of it. And this moth will convert it into adult moth, and its lifespan is of 1 week. So that's in a short I told you. Let's take it in detail in the class. In this video, of course, let's study about the sericulture in this topic and from cocoon to silk fiber. What is sericulture? Rearing of silkworm to obtain the silk fiber is called sericulture. The people who practices sericulture is called silkworm farmers. A female silk moth lay hundreds of eggs at a time. These are stored on a strip of cloth or a paper carefully and sold to silkworm farmers. They keep these eggs in a favorable conditions. Under suitable temperature, the eggs are warm so that the young organism called larva lays the shell and come out of it. Normally, this is done at the time of when the mulberry trees lay fresh leaves. The young organism which come out is called caterpillar or silkworm. It eats the leaves of mulberry plant and grows in size. Along with mulberry leaves, the silkworm is kept in a clean bamboo trays for about 24 to 30 days. After this, the caterpillar stop eating and move to the small chamber. They create a net around them and produce cocoon as silk fiber. Inside the cocoon, a caterpillar develops into silk moth. The cocoons are boiled or kept under the sun or exposed to steam. By doing so, silk fiber separates out. The process of separating the silk threads from cocoon to silkworm is called reeling. It is done with the help of a special devices. Here is one of them. Once the end is obtained, these machines unwind the fibers from cocoon and wound on the reel. The spinning of silk fiber produce silk yarn or silk thread. By weaving the yarn, so produce silk fabric, and then silk cloths can be formed. There are different kind of silk moths which produce different type of silk fibers. Differences arises based on the texture, that is coarse, smooth and shiny appearance of the fiber. In India, sericulture is majorly done in Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Assam and borderland, West Bengal, Jharkhand and Tamil Nadu. Here we have completed this topic. So in the school also you can prepare this project on the various things that can be possible at your house. You can use the thermocol balls also, you can use the paper, cloths and colored papers. Through it, you can understand the concept of life cycle of butterfly through this project. So thank you, have a nice day.